अब हम ऐसा ऐसा करके आगे चलते हैं. Let's start with comments. We used to have apostrophe as comments. In Python, comments can be used to explain Python code. As usual, we can do that. Comments can be used to make code more readable. We would have to. Comments can be used to prevent execution when testing the code. For example, if we have written a code, but we don't want to execute it, so we comment it out. That was the usual case. So comment, how do we create comment? Instead of apostrophe in Visual Basic or double slash in pseudocodes, we use hash sign for comment. So let's see, I may have different ways of comments. If you could observe over here, hash, this is a comment. So this is a comment. Or you might put this comment in line with the code as this print hello world. This is a comment. So your comment may be in its separate line or maybe at the end of the line after the code. I hope that you people already know about it. So comments, हम इस तरीके से comments लिखते हैं. So if I execute it, so we can see hello world. It is appearing twice over here, and these comments are there. Now, the multi-line comments. Multi-line comments are possible. Python does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments. So multi-line comments, we may have multi-line comments with multiple hash signs like this. Or there's a trick. There is a trick. In that trick, what happens that we use triple quotations, triple double quotations. So whatever then you write will be considered as multi-line comment examples. So officially this is not multi-line, this is not a comment, it is a triple quote. What is triple quote? I'll discuss in a short while. So you need to understand that you can use triple quotation as your multi-line comment as well. So from first triple double quotation to second triple double quotation, whatever you have written, you might like to comment out the whole part of the source code so that it does not get executed. So instead of putting hash sign in front of every line, you can start with triple double quotation and you can end with triple double quotation. So if I execute, no one will mind. Okay, the code is being executed. Okay. Now, so get the idea. This is a comment. This is multi-line comment. This is a comment in line with the code, and this is also multi-line comment, but this is kind of trick, but that works very fine.